Okay, we're in room 8158 on board the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. And we got here just as our luggage was delivered, so good timing. I gotta pull out my key, I just locked myself out though. Well, so far I can say I think they did a pretty good job on the interior decor of this ship. It's a 20-year-old ship. It used to be Casca Atlantica or something. But I think they've done a really good job of with their branding and everything. And, all right, I'm gonna have to turn that down. Okay, all right, so when you come in, looks like we have closets. Life vest, safe, shelves, nice. One nice thing about older ships, they usually have a little more space. Okay, a towel hanging. And I'm gonna guess this one has double hangings. Nope, it's still a tall hanging. The side has, oh, it looks like this is not one where you have to put anything in to have lights on, which is nice. Anyway, restroom. Okay, I think I've had a restroom exactly like this before because this is the same ship as the Carnival ride. Yeah. So yeah, it had the big shelves. And it has a big sofa that pulls out into a bed. I saw in someone's YouTube video this pulled out. It made a like a full-size bed. It wasn't just a twin. The only bad thing is it doesn't have arms, and I like to lay on a bed or on a couch and, you know, just like without messing up the bed. But it's got this nice, beautiful, big thing here. Oh, that's a nice big space there. I'm guessing by these vent holes, there's going to be a little fridge in here. There is. It says Tandy Bar. It's warm. Yep. And little center drawer. What do we have here? 2 outlets and 4 drawers. This one has a hairdryer thing on it. Yep. So that's pretty nice. And then beside the bed, what do we have? We have a nightstand with 2 shelves. And this looks like a USB. Okay, there's a regular one, and this is the C, right? Yeah, I think so. This must just turn the light on. Oh yeah, cute lamp. Looks like a buoy or something. All right. And then we have our ice bucket, which I'm gonna guess doesn't have ice unless you ask. Nope. And a big TV. Some of these older ships don't have that, but they really done a good job of refurbishing this in terms of that. Now, I did go into a bathroom that was, you know, just old, but who cares? It's a public restroom. And of course, you know, they kept old cabinets, but they look fine. They're in good shape. If they weren't old cabinets, I'd be surprised just because of, well, I don't know. They could have refinished them or something, you know, because they do look in really good shape. I was expecting this ship to look a lot older and stuff. Oh, there's a thing for sitting here and getting ready. Yeah, I was just expecting, oh, and the cabinets match the doors, so maybe these are new. Yeah, because they look new. Like I said, I was expecting them to all be old. And cute hangers. They look like the ties for like sailboats and stuff. Okay, we have an unpack we just got here. And then we have what's called the extended balcony. There's out there reading, so I won't go out there right now, but you'll find it. I'm sure we'll be out in the balcony on other videos. Yeah, you can see it's wide this way, deep. I don't know if it's deep. I guess this is wide, this is deep. And we are definitely on the commercial side of the ship. I just noticed the sheets have parrots on them. A lot of parrots on the ship. Oh wait, what's this light in the mirror? What is this? Oh, that's how you turn it on. Just like at the Margaritaville resort we went to, had something like that.